Okay, so guys, how to replace the Maxus D60 or other keys ng Maxus that look similar to this one, so this keyfob. So that's what it looks like from the front. So you have 3 buttons there in the mechanical key there. So I already opened, and to do that, so we'll have to do a reverse engineering in a way. So balik natin siya. Ayan. I hope we can do it. It's a bit hard. And oops. Ayan, so balik mo siya ganyan. So to open it, ang gagawin mo lang is put your using your 2 thumbs. Ayan, separate mo siya. So gano'n lang. Then yung battery na lalabas na siya. So it's at 3 volts. 2032 CR2032. So it doesn't matter anong brand. Standard naman yan. And I checked this battery and it's still 3 volts. So hindi ko siya papalitan. Yan. So hope that's been helpful. So balik natin. Yan. Yan. So okay na yan. Pag open, ganun ulit dito. So yep. Hope that helps. Thank you.